A 50 milliliter sample of 0.2 molar sodium hydroxide is titrated with 0.2 molar nitric acid. We want to calculate the pH after a total of 60 milliliters of nitric acid was added. So how are we going to do that? Well, if we're looking at titrations, remember the very first thing we need to do is we need to calculate our moles. So I'm going to start with the 0.0500 liters of the sodium hydroxide. And I'm going to multiply that by the concentration, which is 0.200 moles per 1 liter. And that's going to give me 0.0100 moles of sodium hydroxide. Then what am I going to do? I'm going to do it for the other one. So I've got 0.0600 liters of nitric acid, so HNO3. I'm going to multiply that by the concentration, which was 0.200 moles per 1 liter. And this time my moles are going to be 0.0120 of the HNO3. Now, what I need to do is I need to compare those. I know that the acid is more than the base, so this is going to be beyond my equivalence point. So what's the second thing that I need to do? Well, the second thing that I need to do is I know that this is a strong acid plus a strong base, so it's going to be a neutralizer. So I need, my reaction for that is what? If I have a strong base, it's OH minus. If I have a strong acid, I just have the hydronium ion. So all that's left is water. That's a funky looking 2, huh? Now why did I put a 2? Because I need to balance the equation. So the before for the OH is 0.0100, what I found out just previously. And then what did I add? Well, it said I added 0.0120, right? That's the acid down here. And then so after, what did I get? Well, this right here is still approximately 0, so I'm not going to have to worry about it. And when I subtract these two numbers, I get 0.002. So how am I going to find the concentration of the hydronium ion? Well, the concentration of the hydronium ion is, I've got the number of moles, so 0.002, and then on the bottom, see that's moles, I need to know my total literage, right? So I'm going to add 0.0500 plus 0.0600 liters. And then when I add and then do the division, I get 0.0182 capital M. Remember, I'm not looking for the concentration. It says ultimately it wants me to find the pH. So to find the pH, I need to take the negative log. So I'm going to take the negative log of the number we just obtained, 0.0182. And I need two numbers after the decimal place, so I'm going to get 1.74.